guys. So when you first walk in, you see the ring right there. I actually just bought a keyless entry for the door so that the guests could just put in a code, but they gave me the wrong one. So this is what we're using for now, the lockbox. All right, let's hurry up because this guest is gonna be here soon and I wanna be long gone. Pat my feet, took my shoes off. So once you walk in, you got the welcome sign right here. Got a nice little decor. This is the living room. So here we go, TV, sofa. Nice and simple, not too much furniture. Got your Wi-Fi code and all that. Here's a dining room. I actually have a neon sign for this grass wall. I just tried to set it up. It looks like it's too complicated, or I guess I'm just in a rush. So I'll just do that when this guest checks out. Plus it's not in my pictures anyway, so no one's expecting to see that. But yeah, make sure I set up a table. Let's go in the kitchen. That's my Popeyes that I'm about to take with me. Just came to do some last minute things. This guest actually, they checked in same day. So I have a nice little welcome sign, thank you letter, and some treats. It will be 4 of them. Some hand sanitizer, some napkins in the back. This is access to the backyard. They should not need to go down there. Okay, got my little Keurig coffee maker. Got some bowls, plates. Nice little microwave. I put some Coca-Cola and water in a Brita water filter in the fridge. Got some pots and pans down here. Some Tupperware. They're gonna be here for a week, so they're probably gonna cook and take, stuff to work. Actually in town working. Got a little some medicine. Baby bottle cleaner. Dishwasher. Under here, I have a few garbage bags. Fabuloso, all-purpose cleaners, some dishwasher stuff, detergent pods. So that's about it. And I have salt, pepper, olive oil so they can cook, sugar, coffee mate. Here's a little key, what are these called? K-cups for the Keurig, and some tea. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, here's the bathroom. Got some makeup towels. I feel like this is a must for the ladies if you don't want them to be dirtying up your towels. I bought these individual. I think I bought those on Amazon. Bought these, I think, at Walmart. Q-tips. Then when you come down here, I have makeup wipes for the ladies, a hair dryer in there, first aid kit, some towels, some washcloths down there. Okay, nice little decor. Let's hurry up. I'm closing up shop as we do this. Okay, let's come to the back. You guys actually saw the back in the last video. So we good on the back. All right. Let me take you upstairs real quick. I'm closing up shop. They're supposed to be coming in at 8. It's almost 7. I want to be long gone just in case they come in early. So this is what we're working with. This is the living room. Got a nice little floor mirror here. Let's turn off this light. So this is what I ordered for the door, but the wrong one is inside. So I gotta send that back. This was $250. They tried to get me because they put like a bootleg one inside, and I guess the person took the expensive one. So I gotta go back to get my shmoney. But yes, here goes this bedroom. Put a towel on there. The bottle of water, nightstand. This is like the pink peach room, whatever you want to call it. Closets are pretty much empty. I just have, what is it called? I don't even know what those are called right now. I'm just trying to run out of here. Curtain hangers. This is the bathroom. You guys know the bathroom is tiny. So I have shampoo, body wash, soap, all that good stuff. And then here, cleaning supplies. some more washcloths. They want to clean the bathroom since these guests are going to be here for a week. Okay, nice little wall decor. Let's hurry up, guys. All right, this is the middle bedroom. Here we go. Bottle of water. And then nice little desk for whoever wants to work remote. My little elephant with the alarm clock and the lamp. Got this chair from Marshall's. I'm gonna do another video just letting you guys know where I got everything from. That's what I planned on doing, but this was actually a same day check-in. So this was unexpected. Okay, TV, floor mirror, king size bed. I put 2 towels, 2 bottles of water, 2 nightstands with 2 lamps. That's about it. We closing up shop. Tell me what you think about my decor. You'll get a detailed one later. But right now, the guest is on their way. We gotta go. We gotta go.